Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maddie, and it's really hot in my house, and I'm super bored, so I'm going to introduce you to my best friend. 1 second. Maddie! Hello? I was never here. Hello? Mr. McDuckapus? Hello? Was a duck just here? I swore I heard him. Have you seen him? He's yellow, white fur on top of his head, blue eyes. Nothing? Really? Ugh. God, that duck is such a retard. I'm a retard? She's a retard. You all are retards. There you are, you dumb duck. I found him. Hey. You found me? What's wrong? Don't give me that face. Stop staring at me like that. I didn't do anything wrong. You just slapped me. He just slapped me. He just slapped me. Why would you do that? Huh? I figured the people needed better entertainment than you. Did you just hear him? Better entertainment than me? 2,000! Over 2,000 video views altogether. Thank you, everybody. Oh, please. They're viewing it because they feel bad for you. What? You are leaving now, duck. That's right, I showed him, that dumb little duck. He doesn't even know quack plus quack equals 2 quacks. Oh, please. I can't believe he used to be my best friend. Mr. McDuckapus, you can go become a duck fillet. But I think fillet involves fish. I mean, seriously, it's like he just pops out of nowhere sometimes. See? Don't ever throw me again! I think he's mad. I am going to get her! Help! Help! Oh, Mr. McDuckapus, stop! Oh my God, you're touching my butts! My glasses! Stop, Mr. McDuckapus! No! I showed her. You better beware your duck puppets. Beware your duck puppets.